I'm just going to give you a brief update before I pack up. I'm going to be leaving in the morning, so I won't have time to do this. But this is how it's coming along. I have raked a lot of the mulch down towards here to fill this up. I'm absolutely loving this. We're going to wrap this around to come and meet this, and then we're going to continue to take it along that way. So really liking it. Love the way it looks from the cottage. Nice crisp edge. This way Eva loves to sit on it, so this will be great if we have extra people for campfire. Over here I'm going to do a little walkway, either with pea gravel or with mulch, but probably pea gravel. I think it's cleaner, that in the spring there'll be more cleanup. So I'll have a little path here because we tend to come down the stairs for campfire, and then we just cross over this way. So I'll do it equidistant between these two logs, and that way we can just come through and step down. So absolutely loving it. I've got some topsoil to put on that area there. Either we have to trim a block, or we're gonna have to figure out a way with some rockery there. I could start some rockery here and have it spill over to here and make it seem like it's part of the same design. This is going to wrap around to that trunk over there, and this is just going to be rocks. Or we're going to take it to join, like just to join that rock. I think I want to keep this little shrub here. This over here will have rockery, so just different type of little pebbles here. I already put that stone there. I will now continue on all the way down just to build a little finishing edge here. The mulch is going to stay for the time being. I'd like to have all sand in this area, but because of the grade coming down from there and then coming down from here, it tends to wash everything into the lake. So unless we can find a solution on what to do here, but I don't want to compromise the grade because this is the boat launch. So next week, when I come in, I'm going to order more topsoil because I've only got 3, 6, 8 bags over there, 8, 9. Yeah, that's probably just going to do a quarter of this. It's wider than I wanted it to be. It's probably 1, 2, 3. This is probably about 5, 6 feet. So it is wider than what I wanted it to be. I'm going to try and remove this snag. I was going to do that this weekend, but Eva's birthday got moved to the Sunday because it was raining. Whoop. Oh, that does not look good. I'll do a little bit of trimming tonight. Yeah, it got moved to the Sunday, so everything got delayed by a day. And I don't know if this is going to make it. It's too bad. Yeah, the the hydrangeas in the vases don't survive. And I think I'm going to put a red one here. The blue is nice, but it just doesn't stand out the same that a red one does. The kids decided they wanted the peacock to be named Engine, so we're going to put Engine on that stump, which is going to be trimmed down to the same height as this one. And we're going to put muffler here. So I will end up doing the little gem features on here as well, so that it highlights the peacocks. So really excited about all of this. Can't wait until it's all done. I'm hoping that in 2 weeks from now that it should be all planted. I'm gonna get this done ASAP, so it should be done for this year. I'm so happy, so happy. And I really like that that side is only going to get one height of the blocks, and towards the tree trunk over there it seems to be a little bit higher. So if need be, I'll just raise it a little bit here to go meet the trunk over there. So, yeah, it's coming together finally. What we're going to do is just put the ice and water on there and put the foam insulation. No, put the foam insulation, then the ice and water, and then we'll just do the to do is the strapping for it, or leave that exposed over the ice and water shield, so that they can then put the metal roof on. We still don't have the inside of it finished because we have to put insulation on the floor. Yeah, so next time we come up, we'll probably work on that. Elizabeth is going to do some sanding. So with this out of the way, oh my goodness. I don't know why I kept procrastinating over this, but yeah, it's finally done. So I'm so, well, it's not done yet, but this is the part that I was dreading. So I'm going to be ordering some rock because we've run out. This is all we have. This was one skid. So I think I'm just going to get enough for this. I don't think I'm going to order for that now because I don't know if I'm going to get to it this year. It's always so busy when I'm here. I don't want to spend all my time just work when I'm here. This, for me, the way this is looking with flowers here, oh my gosh, I'll be so happy. So this is what was done this weekend. Thank goodness that Elizabeth helped. I couldn't have done it without her. So this is going to look really cute too. If I can do a complete semicircle here, I will, but I don't think I can without having to put any more blocks over here. I'll see. Anyway, super productive weekend. Thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it.